The rout of the Argentine Peso worsened today as the currency tumbled at the open of trading. Vince Cignarella, macro strategist for Bloomberg, joins us now. Vince, what the heck happened yesterday with his Macri announcement?
Well, it sounded like when he said he was going to go to the IMF to get the funds sooner, it sounded like a voice of desperation. The markets took it that way, that there was more trouble brewing. The peso closed down about 7.25% yesterday. Everyone was waiting to see how it would open today, and it was a terrible start to the day. It went 13.5%, almost in a heartbeat right after the open. It settled back some, but clearly the markets are going to try to keep pushing this as hard as they can.
Did he not do the right thing? Was it, a panic move?
Well, it's not the way what he did was a right or wrong thing. He did do the right thing. It was the communication to the markets. The markets took it as a desperation move, that he was on the outskirts, that he just, without the funds coming sooner than later, he was in a desperate strait. And the markets then pushed that and took that as he was at a disadvantage.
What does Argentina have in terms of reserves?
Exactly, I'll tell you, I'm not really sure, but clearly not enough. Otherwise, they wouldn't be rushing for IMF to step up the funding. What they do have is runaway inflation, and it's been a situation in Argentina for as long as I can remember in the 35 years I've been doing this. Argentina's always had an inflation problem. They've always manufactured both an internal rate versus a real market rate, and it's always been a situation where it gets away from them. Macri was a very positive step in the right direction, but not enough.